In this video, we are going to talk about the best smoke detector in this year, which is Google Nest Protect. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector that speaks up in a friendly voice to give you an early warning when there's smoke or CO in your home. Split spectrum sensor looks for both fast burning and smoldering and tells you where the danger is. Get phone alerts so you know something's wrong even when you're away from home. CO detector looks out for carbon monoxide and tells you where it's located. With app silence, you can silence the smoke alarm with your phone in the Nest app when there's only a little smoke. No chirps to tell you the battery is low. Nest Protect tests its own batteries and gives you a nightly promise when you turn off the lights so you know everything is working. A light in the dark. Usually Nest Protect has its light turned off, but when you walk underneath it, path light can light your way. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.